Welcome back everyone, and today we're going to have the application of Boyle's law. Do you still remember Boyle's law? That has something to do with the relationship between volume and pressure, and they are inversely proportional. That means as volume increases, pressure decreases. Or we can say that as volume decreases, pressure increases. All right? And the general equation for Boyle's law is P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. So, are you ready for the problem solving? Let's go. Alright, so for our sample problem, a certain amount of gas has a volume of 5,000 ml at 760 millimeters of mercury. What will its volume be if the pressure is increased to 790 millimeters of mercury at constant temperature? Alright, so for the solution for the given problem, this is what we're going to do. First, you have to identify the given. Alright, so for the problem given earlier, the initial volume is equal to 5,000 ml. And then the initial pressure is equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. And then the final pressure is 790 millimeters of mercury. And the unknown is the final volume. So as you can see, we have an increase in pressure. So what does it mean? An increase in pressure, we are expecting that the volume will decrease. Why? Because we have an inverse relationship between volume and pressure. Remember? All right. So since we have already set our expectation, the next thing that we're going to do is to derive the formula of V2. All right. So how we're going to do that? We're going to derive the formula of V2 from the general equation of Boyle's law, which is P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. All right. So let's derive the formula. All right. So to derive the formula of V2, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by P2. Of course, do not forget to encircle the unknown, which is V2, so you can easily identify the partner variable, which is P2, and you're going to have that as your denominator on both sides of the equation. So in this case, you're going to cancel out P2, and then the remaining formula will be V2 equals to P1 V1 over P2. So the next step is you're going to plug in the given to the formula. So P1 is 760 millimeters of mercury, and then V1 is 5,000 ml, and then P2 is 790 millimeters of mercury. So you have the same unit cancel out. The remaining unit will be ml, which is a unit of volume. So next, you're going to multiply 760 to 5,000 and then divided by 790, so you will get 4,810 ml. All right, so this time let us analyze our answer. So we computed the value of V2, which is 4,810, and we can see that there is a decrease in the amount of volume, all right? Because the pressure from P1 760 to P2, which is 790, it increases. That's why the volume decreases because the pressure increases. Got it?